I'm sure you've heard of things like digital marketing, e-com, trading, and all these other business models. There's an issue with these business models though. You get too much complexity, too much theory, and not enough actual tools to make money online. You don't know where to start, you don't know which vehicle to choose, and nobody tells you what actually makes money. That is exactly why, over the last 2 years, my team and I have been building something designed to help you make money while fixing your credit. Because after helping hundreds of clients fix their credit and get funding, we noticed the same problem. Their credit improved, but they still didn't know how to make money. And here's the truth. Even with good credit, you'll still end up in the exact same position if you never have any actual cash flow. That is why we built Blackbox, a system where we'll fix your credit while giving you access to real tools and strategies people are using to make money online right now. So now that you understand why Blackbox exists, let me show you what you get when you're actually inside. So these are just some of the things that you get as soon as you become a paid member inside of Blackbox. So first and foremost, you get access to free credit repair. This alone is already worth the $75 it takes to join the community. On top of this, you get access to free educational courses that I and my business partners have filmed. You get access to mentor-hosted live calls. We have calls inside the community that some of the members of each of the channels host, so you guys can learn a lot of cool, valuable things. We also got tons of other features as well that I'll dive into later on in the video. But we already actively have 2,000 paid members inside of Blackbox, as I mentioned. We also got instant 24/7 customer support in the server. So anytime that you have a question or anything you need addressed, you can just raise a ticket and we're there to help you. You also get exclusive access to discounts and price softwares that are only inside of Blackbox. On top of this, we have over 100 guides and methods on how to make money, from instructions to videos to a whole bunch of different tutorials. And between both servers that you get access to inside of Blackbox, once you're a member, you have over 75 plus money channels to choose from on different ways you can make some money. And on top of all this, we also have 20,000 members in our free community Discord. So you have several people to network with and even just maybe make some new connections on the business aspect. So with all this said, let me show you guys how to actually sign up into Blackbox and get started. So assuming you've clicked the link, this is going to be the checkout page right here. And once you've clicked on the checkout page, pretty much you're just going to go ahead and check out. Go ahead and check out here. You can put your card info, or you can even do Apple Pay. I highly suggest Apple Pay just because it's easier. It's a one-click stop. And then you just agree to all the terms. And then you're going to hit join right here. And then once you hit join, this is pretty much what you're going to be prompted to. You're just going to go ahead and start signing up through the prompts, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. Same email you just used to check out with, that's going to be the one associated with your WAP account. So use the exact same email to sign up right here, and then just go ahead and verify your phone number, and then you're going to hit next, and I'll show you what that looks like as well. You're going to be redirected to this page, which is join the VIP list. So you can go ahead and just fill out the prompts real quick, set a goal. From here, we're going to talk about the obstacles. Then it's going to ask you if you are 18 years old or older. And then from here, you'll be prompted to book a one-on-one call with somebody inside of our community. And this is completely optional. You can do this once you're already inside of the Discord. But if you don't want to book a call, it's completely fine. Just go ahead and hit claim Discord access. Then it's going to redirect you to WAP. And if you don't already have the WAP app downloaded on your phone or your device, I'd highly suggest to download it, because that's what you need to actually claim your Discord access and to sign in. So you would just sign into your WAP account. Once you've signed in, you're going to have a Blackbox WAP invite that you're going to join from hitting that same link. And then from here, you're simply just going to go right here to join Discord server. And then you're just going to connect your Discord account and then go ahead and hit claim access, and you should be redirected to the Discord. So after you're done going through the sign up process through WAP to be able to claim your channels on Discord, you should now be here in the Blackbox server inside of our Discord. And immediately upon entering, you'll see the welcome channel. But first, if you're coming in through my community, chances are you're here to enroll in free credit repair or to possibly learn some more information through the courses I've made on credit. So in order to get free credit repair, you simply just go right here, free credit repair, as you can see. You're just gonna follow the prompts. Simple as that. You'd click on this link, you'd scan this QR code, or you copy this right here. Once you're done scanning that QR code, it should prompt you to send an automated text message to this number right here, which is our Blackbox number. And this is what the text is gonna look like. Simply just an automated message to get credit repair. You reply yes, and then from there, they're gonna send you a sign up link, and then you just get yourself onboarded. After this, if you are interested in, of course, looking at the courses that I filmed related to credit, you're just gonna go and hit the advanced section right here, click on advanced strategies. and you're going to be able to see all the different credit courses I've filmed, as well as my business partners. And this is about 4 hours plus worth of good footage for you guys to basically go ahead and learn things and take notes from as you're getting your credit repaired. Then after all that, let's talk about the actual server. So you'd go back to the welcome channel right here, as you can see on my screen. And I'd highly suggest you guys to schedule a free one-on-one call with any of the representatives inside the Blackbox community. These are basically specialists that can walk you through how the server works, all the different channels, and not only this, but create a custom one-on-one plan for you tailored to your unique situation. And you get as many of these calls as possible for free. It's completely included in your membership. And another thing I wanted to mention was within this very own welcome channel, guys, is our own custom notifications app that you guys get access to specifically get notifications and live updates whenever we post deals or price errors, because a lot of these things are going to be time sensitive. So now let's talk about the actual channels. So as we scroll further and further down, up here, you're going to see a channel known as price errors. And for price errors, here's where all the glitches and listed price mistakes pop up at major retailers that we catch with our software that sends immediate pings into this channel that you can purchase. And again, this is why having the notifications are very important, so you can get exclusive access. As soon as these pings pop up, you can go ahead and get some of these price errors that a major retailer has posted. You got some other items up here as well. Look at this fridge right now. It's now $141. And typically you can see it's around $792. You got these $230 pressure cookers. You can see right here for 49 bucks. Then up next, we have our deals channel, and this is basically where we post profitable leads. And I'll show you an example for some of these deals of what I mean. So you got a Berber wax jacket that typically you can see goes anywhere on eBay for around $300, $250. And right here, we have a deal on the Berber website. We can get it for 93 bucks. So you can literally make easy profit right here. Up next, we have our price drops channel. And then in the price drops channel, as you can see, we post personal deals on major brands, on everything from everyday essentials to clothing to electronics and a whole bunch of other things. You can see right here, this is a mouse for computer, $4.99. You can see some clothing right here. Then up next, we've got our freebies channel. And then in the freebies channel, it's pretty much exactly how it sounds. You can go get a bunch of free stuff as well. You can see here, there's Popeyes, there's incoming orders, people posting proof of what they've gotten from the freebies channels, there's Cash App giveaways. I'd honestly suggest taking advantage specifically of the freebies channels because it doesn't matter how much money you make, everybody loves free things. Then we even have another channel up here called our credit churning channel, which of course, you can pretty much buy items online with your credit card, get cashback points from the credit card, plus you get profit right here, and you're essentially just selling these items to our built-in server right here from clicking on this link. It's pretty self-explanatory. And then I don't know about you guys, but I personally love Chipotle. So Chipotle as well, we have a channel specifically for this. Chipotle will actually drop specific promo codes during like NFL and NBA games randomly on Twitter. And with these codes, you're able to basically get like free buy one, get one free meals. You're able to get extra protein. You're able to get a whole bunch of cool stuff that Chipotle has to offer. Now, diving into some of the other channels, we've got the in-store importance. And this is basically going to be a channel where we post leads for major retailers for like Walmart, Target, Home Depot, and pretty much you can go in the store and, buy these items. And if you're trying to check if some of these stores near you have the items in stock, that's where we have the softwares that I'm talking about. You can check Home Depot store stock. You can check a bunch of different other things like your zip code to help you look up some of these items. Another channel we have that is pretty much exactly as it sounds is our penny deals. So these are deals that are for a penny. And essentially you can go in store, you can get these items, and that's instant profit right away. There's a lot of other channels I can dive into specifically on the reselling in store, but I'd recommend you guys to just check them out or book a call with one of our one-on-one coaches inside of Blackbox. But I'll jump into the next segment, which is going to be the online important. And in the online important channel, this is basically where we post leads exclusively on items on high demand, such as like Pokemon cards, such as things that pretty much get sold out or bought right away as soon as they're dropped, like collector items, for example. And as you know right now, Pokemon is at an all-time high. There's a lot of people in the community already making money just buying and selling Pokemon cards because they have access to channels like these. And then we also got a stocks and investing channel as well, where we post leads on options, RSAs, we give you market analysis, future tradings, whatever it is that you may be interested in. This is all in the stocks and investing channel. And these are some of the other channels that I didn't go over, but you guys can see this is like if you're into ticket reselling Walmart selling, there's Amazon FBA. Once you get enough capital, you can basically go ahead and start selling on Amazon. That's more of a sustainable long-term practice if you want to build a good source of income. And if you don't have the capital, of course, this is where the credit comes into play. And you have all these credit channels to help you out with whatever you may need, whether you have questions, whether you want to look at some credit offers that we've posted, maybe some bank bonuses. This is all going to be in the credit channel, and that's pretty much where I'm going to be at majority of the time. And again, I can go on and on about all the different channels and things we have to offer just on one of our main servers of Blackbox. But on top of all this, we've also got a second server that's completely free to everybody already inside of Blackbox called Hidden Files. So you would just click here, and this is where you access the Hidden Files server. And now you have access to our Hidden Files server where you have a casino channel where you can make money. You can see someone's hosting a call in there as well in one of the channels. If you got some seller errors, that's really, really huge. I'd honestly suggest you guys to even check this out. And through these active seller error channels, you can see that our members are posting all their wins that they're getting, such as free Xboxes. You can see right here. You can see this person got a free graphics card. And all these channels are gonna have guides as well on how to get started, which helps you guys out tremendously, and many other items and wins that I can go on and on about. And then we also have an entire section dedicated to crypto. We have a free food bot. We have ways to get cheap gas as well. We've got tons of different money makers. We have more freebies for you guys, more free food, and even ways to get free sports money. And like I said, I can go on and on for days about explaining all the different channels we have to offer and all the cool things you can get. But I'd rather just leave it up to you guys to join Blackbox and check it out for yourself. I'm very excited for you guys to actually be able to try out and implement all the different things that we've made for you guys inside of Blackbox, whether you're here to get your credit fixed for free, to learn about credit and finances, whether it's how to make money online. This is the right product for you, believe me. We have so many things that you guys can possibly choose from, and I'm very, very glad you guys have joined. But aside from that, I'll see you guys inside the Blackbox. Peace.